Well, there's my crazy wife, Kimmy, from Kimmy Safe Haven Animal Rescue. If you can't find enough dogs on the ground, then get them flown in from other places. That's not Kimmy walking there, but she's over by the plane. So, don't let him land. I'll get him on here. Oh, there he goes. Come on, let's go. Yeah, there you go. She's getting the dogs. Yeah. Supposedly it's beagle dogs. So very windy today, so they had to, I guess they had a little delayed arrival. Yeah. Let's see if we see any dogs come out. Yeah. Alright, well, that's good enough, but we're done. See if anybody gets a dog. Well, there's dogs on that plane, so. Anyhow. Yeah, that's good enough. Oops. Eagles Nest Airport.